Hello, Sean Connell at Energy Wellness. We just got a couple of clients in doing the collagen mask and the facial. So if you want a little bit of a mini facelift, you're more than welcome to come in and experiment that one as well. It's a great session. So you've gone through it already. How did you find it?
Good.
Really good?
Yeah, really good.
No, she's looking 5 years younger with just one session, so which is very good. So you just lie down in the soaky bed with all the 5 machines working on you at once, and I incorporate a collagen mask and facial in with that as well. And we have a wand as well that throws the energy into the face and helps remove those lines, wrinkles, increase the collagen and the stem cells, making the body and face a lot younger. So book in if you want to look younger and feel younger. So talk soon. Bye.